Hello everyone, welcome to Computing Concepts of Computer Science. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about SQL. SQL stands for Structure Query Language, which is basically used to design or managing the data. In this tutorial, we are going to know how we can create a database, how we can delete a database, how we can fetch the record or insert the record, right? So we are starting by creating a database. So for creating a database, we need to write the command create database and the name of the database. So we are taking school as a database name. Query okay, one row affected. It means the query is okay, our database is going to be created. Now we need to use this particular database with the help of use command. Use database. Use school, database name. So for using this particular database, we need to use command and school, the name of the database. By using use school, we are moving inside this particular database, right? So if you want to create any table, you have to firstly create a database, right? Inside this particular database, we can create different types of table. So firstly, we are going to create a student table. In student table, we are going to take roll number of the students, name of the students and address of the students, right? So we are starting with create command, create table student, or we can use student. In student, we are going to take roll number. We have to use the data type of this particular field. So roll number is taking integer data type, roll number int. Now we are taking name as a field. Name is containing character data type. We have to specify the number of bits we are going to take. If we are not going to take any bit, so this character will be containing single bit by default. So we are taking 20 inside it and address. Address is containing varchar, variable plus character, cause address is containing some alphanumerical field. So inside address we are taking 50. Now the table of student is created. After creating the schema of the table, we have to insert such a record like roll number, name of the student and address of the student. So firstly we are going to use the command insert. Insert into table name. Now we have to use values. Inside it, we have to use the values, we have to insert the values by a given sequence. Like firstly we have to take roll number 1, name, we can take name Anjali, and the address is Rohini. So we have to mention the integer field without any quotes and the character and varchar field with inside the single quote, right? After this we have to mention the semicolon, the terminator, and after giving an enter we are getting query okay, one row affected. Now the one record is inserted, right? If you want to insert again any record, so again I'm going to insert a record. Insert record number 2, insert into table name student, values. The values will be now number 2 I'm taking Elisha and this is living in Badarpur, right? After this I'm using terminator, right? I'm using semicolon. The second row or second record is also inserted, right? If you want to check this particular table, so we are going to use select command. Select star from table name student. So after this I'm getting this particular table. हमने टेबल में क्या क्रिएट किया था? We have created a table with the name student and the schema of this table is roll number, name and address. After all this particular schema, we have inserted two different record with the name Anjali and Alisha. So we are getting this particular record inside it, right? So if you want to capture any record, if you want to check the particular table, so we are going to use select star from table name. Now if you want to fetch any record with a specific name, like I want to check the record with the name Anjali, right? So you are going to use select command, select star from table name. The name of my table is student, right? Where name is equals to Anjali, right? So I want to check the record with the name Anjali only. So now the table is giving me a single record and this record is with the name of Anjali, right? So this is all about the basic command of our SQL. In today's tutorial we have done here, but after this particular tutorial we will be getting other further information. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Stay safe.